In this session, you will learn about how to print your document, and before printing, how to set up printer or page settings. Okay, for that what you have to do is Control P is the shortcut key. Ctrl plus P, Control P is the shortcut P. Ctrl plus P is the shortcut key for printing, or otherwise you can use file option and go to the backstage area. There is print option available. Click on print option. You will get more options to set up your printing. So see, first it's asking how many copies you want. So this is the preview of the document. I am having 3 pages. Okay, like this 3 pages I am having. Number of copies it's asking. Suppose 3 copies I want. So that means I am going to print totally 9 pages, 3 into 3. So while printing, if you want 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 means first page, second page, third page, and again first page, second page, third page, like that. You keep it collated like this. Otherwise you can change first copy 3 times, second copy 3 times, third copy 3 times, like that it will print. Otherwise keep the normal collated, or you can select uncollated options. Okay, this is number of copies, and you may connect it to number of printers to your computer. One may be dot matrix, one may be laser, another may be inkjet printer or deskjet printer, and different companies will be there, HP, Canon, Epson, like that. When you connected your printer to your computer, automatically the corresponding software will be, you have to install that particular printer related information, the name of the printer, everything you have to select here. According to the printer, options will be changed. Okay, printer settings according to the printer. Suppose I am giving sample printer here, so options changed, and some other printer here, and these are all not actual printers. You will have HP something, printer name, printer series, like that. Suppose I am selecting this one. So your preview is available here, how you are going to print your document, and you can select how many pages you want to print. By default you will print all pages. That's what print all pages option is there. Otherwise print current page, only current page will get printed. Otherwise if you want to print some like a document information, like that you can print. So print all pages. Instead of all pages, you can select custom range also. So range, for example, if you are in all pages, if you are selecting 1 to 2, automatically the option is custom print. So I want to print only 1 to 2, not the third page. 1 dash, suppose you are having 10 pages or 100 pages, I want to print 1 to 10, 1 dash 10 you need to mention. Okay, like that we can select the required pages only, and print one sided, only one side it will print both sides. Okay, so like that manually print on both sides. You can select options like this. According to your printer only these options will come. Remember, first thing. So if you select another printer means the printer options may change. So some of the options changed. Okay, most of the printers will be having same options, similar options. Suppose you can select staple, where you want to staple. Suppose I want to staple the pages here. I will select, see, for this only one option is available, staple top left, means top side, left side, here I am going to staple. So that's why it will give some space there. And you can also select page orientation. By default it will be in portrait orientation, means vertically it will print the paper or page. If you want landscape, horizontal orientation, see, like this it will print horizontally. So you can change the orientation according to the content what you typed in your document and how you want to print, either in portrait or in landscape, like that you can select. And you can select, by default it will be in A4 mode, and you can select as per your, suppose if your paper is legal paper or letter paper, then you can select that particular option. A3 is larger size. See how much centimeters it will be. 21 cm into 29.7 cm is the A4 size. And if you come into A3, 29.7 cm into 42 cm, larger size. So what paper you are giving, that particular paper only you need to select here. Generally we used to print in A4 size or in legal size or in letter size. Legal size is somewhat bigger than A4 size. The size what we use to write exams is the legal size. So normal printing will be in A4 size. You need to select that one. And you can change margins also. See, margins you can change. Accordingly, pages also increase it to 5 because margins, extra margins I placed here. Like that I can adjust margins. Normal margins means normally what you selected while page setting. I will explain you how to set up a page in the later sessions. Of course, here also there is an option page setup. Here also you can set up the page. And one page per sheet. These options also you can select, 2 pages per sheet. So like that also you can select. And here option is there, page setup option. Your page setup must match to the printer settings, that you have to remember. Suppose this is in the portrait, and if you set landscape, automatically it will comes to landscape, and here orientation also it became landscape. Suppose I am giving portrait. In page setup also, page setup, when we will set up the page, while starting only we will set up the page, then we used to type document according to our page. Okay. And what is the left margin? Left margin, you can increase the margin or you can decrease the margin. Suppose if you are binding your papers, then left margin you need to increase, and sometimes right margin also. Like that you can set up the pages and you can select the paper sizes and layouts, okay, in the page setup. And here printer properties are available to the particular printer. In printer properties also we have some options. See, here also we have portrait, landscape, like that. We need to select exact what we selected in the page setup or here. And paper quality, whether you are printing color printer color printing or black and white. Suppose even though your printer is color, if you don't want color means you can say it to black and white color. And paper source also you can select, automatically select or upper paper tray. These options also will get changed according to your printer what you are using. And we have advanced options also here. Here also you can change the paper size. Okay, if you are not getting print in proper way means you are not set up these options properly. And copy count, one copy count like that, and printing mode I set black and white, so that's why it's giving monochrome. And in that also I have true color, 256 color. True color means some better quality than 256 colors. So like that monochrome means only black and white. Like that I can select the options of the printer. Okay, finally say OK, or otherwise I am selecting here color. Finally you need to give print option, print. So then your printer will feed the paper and print your document as per the settings given by you. The shortcut key is Control P. Suppose I am selecting Control P, automatically it will opens the backstage area and print option in that backstage area. Okay, and if you want to get back, get back.